Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Playing Anthem, and my suit just told me there's scorpions nearby.
As promised, there's the scorpion pack.
And the sooner you use it, the sooner it's recharging, right?
Yet. Some unfriendly wildlife is headed this way.
Guess he's the leader. Man, you gotta love those grenades. It's like they're homing grenades almost.
Well, that's done. Good work.
Alright, that grenade killed him.
Good work, mate.
Thank you. Means a lot. I don't even know what they give you for beating these, but Seeking Missile 2, awesome. I'll have to equip that. Next time I get back to the forge, I'm going to be able to equip a lot of stuff. I've been out here and I beat like 4 of these little challenges. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and I hope you enjoy buying from my eBay store as much as I like selling. GB Hatchery. I'll leave a link in the description, and my affiliate, Seller Warehouse. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate it. That's all for this video. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.